For the following activity, you're going to need a bucket of water and your zoo animals. And we're going to encourage language development through this easy game. So let's get started. The idea of this activity is that we're going to use water, which is something that they are attracted to learn vocabulary words. We're going to use the animals of the zoo for this activity. You're going to fill up your bucket of water, and now we're going to drop in the animals, and we're going to say their name. And we're going to encourage our kids to repeat the action and the voices and the words that we're saying. So let's do it. You're going to grab your animals and you're going to drop them in the water. And as you drop them in the water, you're going to say their names. So, giraffe, tiger, lion. There's even a YouTube video that does this with all the different type of animals. You can do it too. You can make your own videos and then you can rewatch them. And the idea is that they can listen to your voice and they can see and associate the name and try to say it themselves. I'm gonna show you how my son does it. We've been doing this game for over 4 years, but it really helped with speech development. So I really encourage you to try it.
Yeah. I love them.
And remember, all of these water activities that I show you doesn't have to be done outside in a bucket of water. You can do it in the shower, you can do it in the pool. Just find a place that is convenient and easy for you to do. Also, you don't have to do it with just the zoo animals. You can do a version of the farm animals. You can do a version of the ocean animals. You can do a version with fruits. Anything that you can give them vocabulary to, it's a great activity to do with your child.